Then you have the Endless Weekend. This smells really, really good. It's like a coconut scent. It smells really, really good. The Bath and Body Works stuff. Just to let y'all know, whenever Bath and Body Works has Victoria's Secret has a sale, Bath and Body Works has one too. They're ran by the same company. I want to say Victoria's Secret is the owner of Bath and Body Works. They are the parent company. So, therefore, they are having a sale right now. So, if you watch the previous video of me actually going to get everything, you can see that the wallflowers were like not even like they were in the store, but it wasn't a good smell. So I decided to just get the air fresheners and my wallflowers I ordered, and they will be here soon. My first air freshener is the white tea and sage. Y'all, I just sprayed way too much, but let me tell y'all, it smells so good. Just, y'all, go get this. Like, the white tea and sage. I'm gonna say it again. The white tea sage. No, I said it right the first time. White tea and sage. Then you have the Endless Weekend. This smells really, really good. It's like a coconut scent. It smells really, really good. My favorite scent from Bath and Body Works is their mahogany teak wood. I love this scent, but I can't spray it right now because it's more of a fall scent, and it's hard to explain what it smells like, but it's really like a more like a very strong scent. Like it smells so good. But it makes your house smell like rich or something. I really love that smell. This is one of the smells that helped me buy my pick my apartment out, because in the elevator where I live, there is a air freshener and it actually has this in it. And yeah, this is one of the reasons why I bought this apartment. This Renew and Refresh, this is like a fruity smell. It's very, very simple. It smells so good. It's like got like a melony smell, but like a beachy smell. You gotta get this. It's called Renew and Refresh. And I want to say, because they have the 3 for $20. Yeah, that's Endless Weekend. So those were my 3 for $20s, and these two were on sale. And I got the linen and lavender. It smells like, you know, fresh clothing. And the Aloha Kiki Passionate Fruit, I got this because it smells so peachy, and it smells so good. If you like peach, like fruity tropical fruit smells, this smells really good. It's like, it even has like a banana smell. Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. I don't smell kiwi in it, but yeah, you could smell kiwi. Yeah. I got a keychain that doesn't have any. Well, yeah, it does. This is to go on my keys, and it holds antibacterial hand sanitizers from Bath and Body Works. Then I got the antibacterial hand spray. I got it in French lavender. And then I got the cucumber melon. And last, this is my favorite, because they make you put this on at the door. Well, it's up to you. And it's the coastal coconut. Oh my gosh, it smells so awesome. So awesome. I have some candles coming from Bath and Body Works, and I have some wallflowers. My Lysol is on its way. I bought my Lysol off of Amazon. That is it. I am really proud of my purchases because these are totally things that I'm trying to tell you, I feel like people forgot. And I want y'all to stay tuned because I got a lot of content that's going to be coming out. As you guys can see, I have been devoted to getting content out a little bit more. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, click that notification bell. To this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Love you so much. And as always, all of my videos are done with love, key.